washing day. Hey friends, wait, scissors. Oh, stay in focus, stay in focus. Okay, ready? Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. We are unboxing our Ipsy box. This is a PR box, and if y'all don't know, Ipsy and Boxy are like one pretty much. So there's also Boxy by Ipsy. Now, typically in the PR boxes, we get the Ipsy Glam bag, the $13 bag, and we get the Ipsy Glam bag Plus, which is like $28. I think there may be some Boxycharm by Ipsy items in here. Honestly, I don't know. I'm still very confused. I'm the type of person that I can read and read and read and not comprehend a doggone thing. So I am more of a visual person. I need to see it. I need to experience it. I need to learn it that way. You know what I mean? I'm a visual learner, hands-on. So it may take me a hot minute to get in the groove of things again. So bear with you, girls. So anyways, I also ordered, if y'all follow me on my other channel, I'll introduce myself in a second. Just bear with your girl. If you follow me on my other channel, Hotmess Momma vlogs, I do Curvy Girl try on. Girl, you forgot to silence that? All right, let's try it again. I do a lot of Curvy Girl try on hauls over there, and one of the hauls that I did was buy a brand from Amazon called PUMIEY, I think is how you say it, and it is SKIMS dupes. Now, I love SKIMS. I mean, like, my shirt is one of the SKIMS t-shirts. Freaking love it. I'm the type of person that I need to feel like I'm commando, but obviously not be commando because society. So I did a haul. I fell in love with their bodysuits, and so I ordered with my own money the hot pink one once it launched. So I'll have that listed down below for y'all if you guys are interested in checking out the video, which by the way is a giveaway over there. And if you want to check them out, I highly recommend. Now, if you are judging my cheeks because I have two different colored cheeks, let me just tell you something, friends. I was playing around with the brand new Juvia's Place liquid blushers. They're $16. This side is Charlotte Tilbury's like $42 Pillow Talk. This side is Juvia's Place liquid blush in, oh Lord Jesus, what is it called? I got tulip in my head, but it's not. It's like rosy. Is it tulip? It might be tulip. I don't know. I'll pop it on the screen for y'all because it's not sitting by me. But anyways, I am shookity shocked, and this one's kind of faded. This one's going strong. So $16, Juvia's Place, highly recommend them. Anyways, if you're new here, hi, my name's Rhonda, and we are 4 minutes in. I'm just telling you my name. Well, you clicked on a channel starting with Hot Mess. Matter of fact, all my channels start with a hot mess. First word. Hotmess Momma Vlogs, Hotmess Momma MD, Hotmess in the Kitchen. I'm everywhere I can be. Also on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. Wow, I really put hot mess in everything, huh? Anyways, a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. I appreciate y'all so much. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to. I'm gonna pop up, or you'd be looking at it right now, a new picture of all of my YouTube members. Now, there's gonna be a couple videos where they're already pre-recorded and scheduled out, but I had energy to film this one and pop it up for y'all. So just know, all y'all, all like 22 of y'all, all your pictures are gonna be here in the after all those videos go up. It's like maybe 2 or 3. Anyways, are you ready to get into it? Well, we're not, because I want to show you this. Hey, if you're new to this channel, I talk, I ramble, I have fun with my friends. So hopefully you want to like join, because this is like how I'd be if I was like super duper like we like this. Then you get to see all this. Let's be honest, I'm awkward as sin in person, so don't ever take it personal. Oh my god, this feels so nice. Okay, I'm so excited. So check this out. So I showed you all a while back, I did a video and I had the gray one on, and then they launched April 3rd and they had hot pink, and you know your girl had to have the hot pink. So it is like a thong style, but it's with the material the way it is, I promise you don't notice it, you don't feel it. The quality, I have some of the SKIMS bodysuits, the Fits Everybody bodysuits that are like this, and y'all, I compared it in my video, at how much nicer the quality around the neck is than the SKIMS. So anyways, I ended up sizing down and getting a large in this one. There's a lot of stretch, and I love them. This was the color I wanted so hard. So I hope they come out with like the blue, I forget the name of it, that SKIMS just dropped, Mykonos I think, and then like a lime green or yellow. That would be amazing. So anyways, definitely make sure to check them out. Not sponsored, but I will have a link for y'all down below, and if I can make it an affiliate link, well, duh. Oh my god, oh, this is so nice. Okay, so check this out. It's a bunch of random stuff, but look at this. Okay, hold on. You got little thingies. Man, I am burning one of Martha from the Good Candles candles. It's one of her spring collections. It's one of the floral ones. I forget what it's called, but my god, it smells so good. I made hamburgers the other night and my kitchen still smells a little funky. All right, so this is the glam bag for April. So this is what it looks like. Really cute, kind of canvas feeling. It says look good, do good. And then Ipsy on here in burgundy. And then this is the $13 bag, and you do get to customize one item in this bag. So the first item is the Real Her Volume Mascara. Next in here is the Shades by Shan gel eyeliner. It looks like it's a black one. So when it comes to the glam bag, these are all going to be like deluxe size samples, which honestly I don't mind. I've been getting the Ipsy glam bag for I feel like a bajillion years now, like back when it was 10 bucks a bag and you didn't even get to customize anything. I don't think you've always, did you get to customize? I don't think you did. It doesn't really matter. But anyways, you get enough product in the deluxe size samples to know whether or not you like it. Next is the Shayna B Miami, and this is the eyeshadow duo in here. Okay, I have this one, so this will be put in a giveaway, but this is beautiful. Reminds me of like the NARS Orgasm blush, and then like a really pretty highlighter. You know what I mean? And this is in, I don't know how to say it, so let me just show you guys. Look, I struggle just to speak what little bit of English words I say correctly, so putting another language in there, it's a no bueno for me. I got that. All right, next is a Hey Honey Come Clean facial scrub. Hey Honey is a good skincare line. It seems to be pretty gentle on my skin, so that's nice. And see what I'm saying? You get enough product in there, it's filled up to here to know whether or not by the time you're done with it, if you liked it. And then last, I'm excited about this, the Professional Good Cleanup Foaming Cleanser. Wait a minute. Oh, this is a cleanser and exfoliator. So it's cleansers, but it's two different kinds. I need to sit better. I'm like slouched down. Oh, it's cold. That's cool. It's on the, well, is it a foam? It's a mousse. It's a foaming cleanser. Oh, that's fun. Okay, I've been seeing a lot of Benefit PR going around. Like they apparently came out with like a whole skincare line. That's pretty cool. I've gotten one of the foaming pumps. I say foaming, I thought it was a pump one that I opened. Okay, I'm jibber jabbering too much. Okay, so these may be items I think just looking at them that you may see in your Boxycharm. Feel free to nicely correct me if I'm wrong. Constructive criticism, I can handle. A-hole criticism, you can, So the first thing is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And I do vividly remember when I was making my base box choice, I do remember this palette was a palette was a choice. Now with the Boxycharm base box, you get to choose 3 items now, but the price is still the same price. So this, oh, it's so dark and vampy. These shades look really feely good. So here's your colors. Aren't those pretty? I'm gonna swatch them. So this one is Snap Shadows Mix and Match Your Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, so they're a popper outer thingy, I guess, yeah. Ooh, okay. Oh, dang. Ooh, these feel so nice. And look, y'all, you're gonna be so proud of me. I actually have wipies in here so I can clean my fingers off as I literally go to wipe it off on my britches. Girl, get your life together. I'm so excited. It is literally Literally, oh my god, 6:37 in the evening, and I have this kind of energy. My husband got me a big juicy salad, and I guess that gave me energy. I don't know. Okay, so moving on. Ooh, I like this, like texture sparkle. So honestly, this is really pretty. For me personally, I like the deep colors, but this could most definitely not be like a one and only, one and done kind of palette for me. These, for me personally, are like my accent shades. Do you see my eyeball? Like literally. If you like this by chance, stay tuned. Coming in June, baby. Okay, anyway, so there's that. That's honestly, I would have picked this for my base box if this was the palette. The palette color shades that I was offered, which it was just one that it showed. Maybe I should have clicked it and read it if I had a choice, but this is a smoky. The other one, I didn't like the colors. Okay, next in here we've got the Ciate London Lip Mask in Smiley. I think this is like the whole box for Boxycharm. This is cute. I don't really smell anything. I wish it came with a little scooper. That really didn't give me much. Okay, let's, ew, I hate scooping with my nail. Ooh, is that lemon? Everyday Balm and Mask. Honestly, it kind of reminds me of the Laneige. Wait, where's my doohickey? Here it is. Kind of reminds me of the Laneige sleeping mask. Next in here, we've got, I was really wanting to see these. These were not a choice for my Boxycharm. This is a Drunk Elephant Obluse Rosy Drops. Now these, from what I can tell, I think you can use them as a highlighter, but I feel like you could also use them kind of like a fresh rosy glow to your skin. So I'm not very familiar with these. I think they're going to be similar to the De Bronzy drops, which I still have the original squeezy pump thing. So here is the color, and then you see, I think you can maybe use it as like a blush or a highlight. I saw Johnny from Boxycharm on his Instagram. He kind of used it as a highlight. Honestly, it kind of reminds me of the Pillow Talk blusher or something, or a highlighter. So anyways, it will definitely use it. See if it's got directions. I'll shake well before use. I already screwed that up. Dab a tiny hint of this on cheeks or anywhere you would like to add warm, natural looking flush, a peachy pink color, and a berry of fortified fatty acids. Okay, whatever. So it could be like makeup, no makeup day. Okay, next in here, I'm pretty excited about this. This is the Banana Bright Vitamin CC Stick in Banana. I was kind of curious about this. This was another thing that was not a choice. Actually, I'm lying. This Ciate thing, that was a choice for my Boxycharm. Okay, I'm gonna just open this like a monster because I'm really excited. Ooh. So this apparently is gonna give you like a little radiant glow and a little concealer action, maybe a little moisturization. Do you see that? It's kind of like if you need any little like color correction underneath the eye. Apparently it's gonna do that. I'm excited about this one, and honestly I was sad these two products were not offered in my Boxycharm because I would have 100% snagged them. So this just says the Vitamin CC Stick Enhanced Vitamin C. It does have caffeine and brightening pigments. So you're gonna go ahead and we'll place that underneath the eye before you apply your makeup, and we'll definitely play around with it. The last item in here is the Pacifica Vegan Collagen Recovery Body Butter. This alone, I don't know how it did not break in the box. This is like a really nice glass thingy. It's a vegan collagen. let's see, whatever. Let's just open it up. Oh, it smells nice. I don't think a lot of y'all that don't like floral, I don't think you're gonna like it scent wise, but I'm sure the scent will go away. Oh, it feels nice too. See, I don't mind that scent because I feel like this scent isn't gonna, it's not really gonna last really long. So, I mean, okay, let's be real here. If this was your BoxyCharm box, which I know for a fact, these two were choice items in my box. And the way that Ipsy's doing it now is you pick 3 and then they give you like, hey, here's the 2 items we picked for you. And then you get all these options to choose from for your box. So I know just based off of what I've received, these were choices, but not mine, okay? Like this, not this color. And then I know some people were getting to choose this thing and some people were getting, I think, to choose this thing. So I don't know. Let me know what your choices were for your BoxyCharm because it was different. It's gonna be a lot to get used to. So anyways, let me know your thoughts down below. Of course, I do purchase my own personal Ipsy glam bag, my own BoxyCharm base box. So I'll be back with the unboxing. And of course, like I said, as I learn more of how all of this is gonna work, then I will start coming back with more things. Like, you know, I don't know. I'm still, y'all know I'm not good with change and it takes me a hot minute to get used to stuff. So anywho's, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely make sure to check out Juvia's Place's new liquid blushers. They're literally $16. I'm gonna do a get ready with me playing with them because they sent over the whole collection of the liquid blushers and the volume 1 through 6 of their powdered blush. I will admit, I was sleeping on it, and I am kicking myself for it. I already knew their eyeshadows were amazing, but these blushers, holy guacamole. And $16, and the tube is ginormous. So stick around, stay tuned. There will be a get ready with me playing and showing you all the blushes. Heck, I may even just do like a reel or something for y'all as well because you've got to see how awesome these things are. So anyways, if you are interested in signing up for Ipsy or BoxyCharm, I will have a link. They did give me a link and I'm 99% sure it's an affiliate link. So thank you all in advance. I'm really excited about it because for a while there when the whole merge happened, they took away my affiliate link and I got it back. So I'm really excited about that. So anyways, update real quick on this. This feels really good. I was just outside with my parents for like talking and everything, and we were out there for a good probably hour chit-chatting, and it's windy and cold, and my lips really needed this. So if they look dry and crusty when I first started, they don't know more. All right, anyways, I'm hopping off for now. I will have linked for you guys if you're interested, the PUMIEY SKIMS dupe. You guys, you're welcome. Trust me, they have the SKIMS dress dupes, the long sleeve, the spaghetti straps, the bodysuits, long sleeve bodysuits. They do have shapewear, but that is a SKIMS dupe shapewear. I'm a little shocked, a little shook, and I definitely enjoy it. And of course, I'm gonna have my Ipsy and Boxy link, and thank you guys if you do sign up using that link because it will earn me, a little bit. So I appreciate it. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion hauls, Hotmess in the Kitchen. I do grocery hauls, Thrive Market hauls, Temu hauls. I do cook sometimes. I'm on TikTok and Instagram, and thank you once again to my YouTube members. We are growing and you guys shock me that you want to support me, and I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. If you guys made it to the end of the video, I appreciate y'all so much for sticking with your girl. You guys are something else. Like I always say, not all heroes wear capes. So anyways, until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.